How to create NFT pixel art collections the easy way. Hi guys, today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your own NFT pixel art collection without using any paid service or whatsoever. This way it's totally free and it's really easy to do. Well, as you can see you guys, the fad has been all about pixelated art. Well, within the community of those people who are actually buying NFTs nowadays, the ones that are actually selling are pixelated NFTs, and as you can see here, just like this ones, they're actually selling for a decent price. So how do you make your own NFT like this? It's really easy, you guys. Just want to go ahead and make sure you do the steps and to follow the steps so you don't mess it up. So what you want to do first is to go to Google Images, and in Google Images later on, you'll be going to like look for something to trace or as your base. So for this one, I already decided to do like a talking orange, the annoying orange collection. Well, this one has been really like a thing on the internet since like the past, wait, 5 years or 10 years. I'm not really sure, but this has been a thing on the internet. That's why I actually went on and like choose it to be my base for this NFT collection. And what you want to do next is to, of course, save the image right here. But you'll see later on that this image is actually too large for it to be traced as a pixel art. So what you want to do is go to this site. It's called resizeimage.net. Well, all you have to do is like upload the image that we downloaded from Google and then go ahead and resize the image so that it will be it will be fitted to like be edited as a pixel art. So what you want to do is to make sure that you set some settings just like the aspect ratio right here. Make sure that you're going to tick that off because you don't want to like keep the original aspect ratio. So you just want to go ahead and put in your desired aspect ratio. So for this one, I'm going to like go for a 32 by 32 pixels. And what I want to do is to take on PNG right there. Make sure that you go ahead and make the PNG version of it, or like take the PNG version of it, and done. Click resize image and then download your image. And after that, you just want to make sure you go to this site. It's called Pixel Art. So go to pixelart.com, and then after that, you'll be able to see this particular dashboard. You don't have to log in. Just go ahead and click start drawing right there. And once you click that, you'll see this particular pop-up window which lets you create a new drawing and then wait for it to load up. I was actually working on a project a while ago, so let's just go ahead and make sure. Actually, you can go ahead and work straight away with this platform if you're good at making art. If you don't need like trace something, just go ahead and like put in your desired canvas size right here. But what we're gonna do is open the image that we just converted. So here it is. Now that it's looking like this, it'll be easier for you to trace the base. So let's go ahead and try that out. Well, I'm not really an artist myself, so pardon me if like I'm going to like mess things up here. So what you want to do is to like trace the outline first. So choose the right color for the outline. It's really up to you. You can actually change the color of the whole art really based on your preference. So but for this, I think I'm going to go for not say black, but maybe a little bit of the gray side. So let me just go ahead and choose that. And then once I'm done choosing that, I'll go and start creating my outline right here. So this is how you do it, you guys. Well, basically, if you're not really good at art, just like me, if you're a beginner who doesn't really know or doesn't have any idea how to do arts like this, just go ahead and do this method because it's really easy. Just make sure that you add in a layer before tracing, you guys, because what you want to do after you're done tracing all of this stuff is to like remove the background, because of course you don't want to take that with the, or you don't want to include that in your art because that won't actually sell if the original image is included. So I'm just go ahead and trace the eyes over here. It's really easy, you guys. Well, nowadays, NFTs that are pixelated are a fad. It's really popular, and a lot of them are selling really expensive. If you don't believe me, you can go ahead and check out CryptoPunk. They're really selling out, and the prices are insane, you guys. You can go ahead and check it out for yourself. And then, okay, I think we're done with the eyes, the white of the eyes. So let me just go ahead and try to try to go ahead and trace the lips for now. Okay, and while I'm doing this, let's have a review, you guys. So what you want to do in order to like make your own pixel art collection is to make sure that you find images that are really insanely looking or cool looking, and make sure that the images are actually alike, or it can only be a single image, and then you can actually just modify them, change the colors, add something else. Like for example, this orange right here, you can add in a hat, or the other one might like have a blonde hair, or the other one might like have a cap or whatever, or like chains right here over its neck. It's really up to you what type of collection are you looking forward to do. But for this one, I'm just showing you like the process of doing it pixel by pixel. This will take time, you guys. I know it's really hard to do it pixel by pixel, but it's the only way. And next, after you're done choosing your base, all you need to do is convert that using the site that I showed you a while ago. It's imageresize.net, where we can actually upload the original image and then customize how many pixels do you want in your image. For this, we went for 32 by 32, and after you've done that, you would just want to like tick off the for you to do that, I mean, for you to like set it to 32 by 32, you need to like tick off the keep aspect ratio, because you don't want that to like affect your desired pixels. And once you're done setting it up, you should go ahead and click on Resizeimage down below the side, and bam, your image is ready to download. So what you want to do is like hit download. Actually, you guys, you can go ahead and try to zoom it in so you can work a lot closer with it, so that way you make less mistakes. And yeah, after you're done downloading your resized image, go to this website right here. It's what we're doing the art. It's called pixelart.com. You don't need to create an account. You can just go ahead and hit create new drawing, and then after that, just go ahead and open image and select the image that we just resized and downloaded from the site a while ago. And after that, you can start creating your collection already. And as you can see, I'm already here in the filling stage. I'm already filling in like the body of the orange. Well, it's just actually plain orange right now, but you can add in more dimensions using its lighten and darken tool. You can go ahead and explore the sidebar right here, you guys. There are lots of tools that you can choose from. I find them really convenient and really easy to use. Well, the lighten and darken, it's really useful when you want to add in dimensions to your art. So let me just go ahead and try to fill everything up, and we'll go ahead and remove the background so you guys can see how it looks like without the background. I'm sure this will look really messed up. Well, I'm not really good at tracing things, so if this works for you, you guys, congrats. But for me, it really doesn't work. I'd rather create my own NFT from scratch. But if you really want to create a collection based on something that's already out there, this one's for you. It's really great. I almost forgot the teeth, so let me just go ahead and change. I think a yellow teeth would be better for this, or closer to its actual. Yeah. Okay, there you go. How do you think does it look? Well, I think it looks bad. Once you remove the background, you actually see how your art looks like. Well, this one's pretty decent, you guys. I think it's cool. Go ahead and try it for yourself. Try it, and you can guys show me your artworks down the comments below. So that's it for this video.